Welcome back, language explorers. Today we're diving into the world of ability. How do we express what we can do, could do, or will be able to do? Let's find out. Expressing ability: 1, present ability by using can or be able to. 2, past ability by using could or was were able to. 3, future ability by using will be able to. We use can to express general or present ability. It's about what we are capable of doing right now. For example, I can speak English fluently. We use be able to in the present form to express present ability. For example, Alvin is able to hold 3 people. Could is often used to talk about general ability in the past. For example, when I was younger, I could run very fast. However, for specific past abilities, we usually prefer was able to or were able to. For example, despite the heavy traffic, we were able to arrive on time. To express future ability, we use will be able to. This suggests that something is possible in the future, often after learning or practicing. For example, with practice, I will be able to play the guitar. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these modal verbs in your everyday conversations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more grammar tips and tricks. See you in the next video where we'll explore another exciting language concept.